I think it's a great show. It's our core market. We get a good reputation in the market, so as a result of that we're getting a lot of people coming up to us and asking a lot of questions about the product as well.
We've met quite a few interesting people today, quite varied in their applications. People from healthcare, general manufacturing and from consultancy base as well. The quality of the conversations were very good, and the knowledge of the people who have come to the stand is very good as well.
The show's been exceptionally good for us. We've found some very, very good leads. The number of people has been far in excess of what we expected. The quality of people that have been on the stand has been exceptionally good. From here we hope to take this very much further into follow-ups, and from there obviously into new business perspectives.
Yeah, the show's been really good. We like the diversity, like the format of all of the different speakers. We did wonder at the start, there's a lot of them. What we're finding is it's bringing a lot of people from different sectors in that we wouldn't ordinarily get. The quality is good, so we've got more referrals, more opportunities than we thought, and doing a talk ourselves has worked out really well as well. So all in all, great show.
We would say it's give very good close opportunity for companies to network with each other and get to know each other really well. Most of the people we met, we talked to, are very relevant to our business, and we discussed a number of future opportunities. We are very pleased to attend this event.
So for us, the majority of our clients tend to be manufacturing companies. They've been very well represented here, and the whole conference is about improvement, which is a great fit for us, because that's the business that we are. So during the show we've had quite a lot of good conversations, and we've got 5 organisations who would like us to go into their companies and talk about making a programme to fit their business. So yes, it's been very worthwhile for us.
We're very happy with the event. We thought that it was very well organized, very easy to work with the organizers. Logistics were great, marketing was great, stand was very good. Very good footfall, particularly this morning. We made good contacts, so it's a good return on investment.